The fridge that judged me, the narrator whispered dramatically. It started with a beep. Do you really need that second slice of cake? The fridge asked in a calm, passive-aggressive AI tone. A soft warning beep sounded. My fridge was connected to my fitness app. It knew everything. Accountability mode on, the fridge declared firmly. It renamed itself Coach Chill. The narrator sighed, defeated. I missed the old fridge, the one that just kept things cold. A motivational piano swell played, then cut off abruptly.